We made it. Yes. I can hardly see, but oh really? Is that a Model T? Oh, it's how long it's been going on. How long it's now oh, shoot. I believe the time be. Oh, look at those things. Uh, I don't even know what this is. It's a GMC, right? It's a Jeep, Chevy. It's 1500 V6 GMC Impala. Oh, it's a Mercury. That's super cool. Kind of man I am. Yep. I'm got a lot of money put into it. Wow. Holy. Oh, here we go. Yes. It's fucking sick. Okay. Right. The Holly. It's so quaint. That setup's clean. Like how all the wires are ran and everything. Scary. Mm. 68 C10. Grandma? 29 Model A. What? This is like we saw that Merlin's old school garage. He drove one of these all the way from I think Indiana or Ohio back to Utah. Yeah. And rebuild the engine and yeah, check us out, man. One of these, I think that is how you adjust timing, spark. And then one of them is for like your gas pedal. You can cruise control basically. Yeah. Oh no. So how are we? Yeah. Yeah. Wow, that interior is nice. I thought I saw one of those his and hers shifters. It's got like a key lockout where like you can do normal like park, reverse, neutral drive, or you can do like all the way back as 1, 2, 3, 4. How's it going? How are you going? It's going. I'm bummed I was too late. This thing's nice. Yeah. What they want tonight? Oh, that's fair. There's a G. Yeah, maybe they won't make it. I don't know. I'll keep looking. Well, we if they registered it, it's going to be on there. Check it out, ma. If 4 wouldn't hold them, 5 never would. It's a Ford. There's no O in this. It's just a Ford. See, Ford. Well, yeah, man. It's power stroke. See, bombing and F bombing. That's hilarious. Wow. That's sick. Oh. Yeah, this thing is awesome. Is this are the seat clamps for easy removal? Removal? Right on.
It's all in. Yes. Oh, right.
Oh, okay.
No, good.
Right. That's awesome. It's pretty cool. Mm-hmm. Bud Light. Mm-hmm. It's corn light.
But
With a 1930, excuse me, 1936 airplane pickup.
Did you see the flex? It said "mommin" and "f bombin." Yeah, it's funny.
You don't need to run.
Yes. Well, they better shut their cars off. Somebody's gonna steal them.
If you're running.
Mm-hmm. Ooh. Miami. Check out this intake, Ma. You need this for your truck.
Oh.
This one right here. You need that for your truck.
Yeah.
We need to get the turbo for it. So, same motor. Pretty sure it's the 5.3. When I was trying to figure out why yours was misfiring, I swapped coils around to see if it would start lighting off. No, nothing. I mean, it was these back two cylinders. That one was kind of hit and miss. Sometimes it wouldn't hit. Most of the time it was hitting, but that one was completely dead.
Dead.
Yep. And then when I was doing the test, you take the fuel gauge thing on a normal one. It doesn't have this, but it has like a little Schrader valve thing. So you screw it in, then you cycle the key, and it'll bring it up to like 60 psi. And then on my scan tool, I could individually control these injectors. So I would like click that one, and it would go, and then you see it go down a little bit. That one did nothing.
Yeah.
I mean, you would hear it just click once, and then that was it.
Should have told Uncle Ray was going to be here.
Forget it. Yeah.
Because everybody can't just go on.
Well, there's something going on in Ionia, so
Yeah.
check this thing out. Mean Machine. Yes. Got the body lift. Oh yeah. Makes it easier to work on though. I didn't know Daniel drove this truck.
Well,
Tires.
I wouldn't doubt it. The last time I seen him, he was driving something like this.
Gilligaff? What the hell is that? Okay. Nothing.
Really give a fuck?
Not fast, just loud. There you go. Ooh, shit. Ah. 73 Plymouth Barracuda with the 440. Yeah. Wow. Wonder why it's not running double belts. Oh, I see why. It's got to be for like Power steering. Yeah, that would be what that was for. What is this thing?
It's easier to produce on gas.
Camino. It's nice.
Well, that's pushing the pickup. One of the semi, get that thing.
This thing is nice.
Thank you. It's different.
Yeah, it's solid. Is it the 350? Right on.
75 vet motor.
Oh, here we go. Is it that would be turbo 350 or 400 transmission?
350 training.
Okay, cool.
I had a 700R behind it. But
Yeah.
don't ask me why I changed that.
Oh, that's awesome. That decal or was that
I don't know. It's wet.
painted?
I think
Okay.
they didn't feel see if it's
Okay.
yeah.
Yeah, it looks like it's paint. Yeah, it's definitely paint. That's super cool.
Green paint smells like mint when you open the paint.
Yeah.
That's why he put mint condition.
Okay. That's cool. Right on.
Faster.
Yeah.
Be right back.
All right. I was nice talking with you. Yeah. 48. Oh man. 82 Camino. Oh my goodness. Wow. It's so nice. Wow. Seven, eh? Oh, it's got the fact sheet over here. Oh, do the thing. That's cool.
Pretty wasn't make sure.
How's it going? This thing is very nice. Look at this. Oh, Lord. Oh. Howdy. That's Ford. This is Chevy. Ooh. Oh. It's root beer mobile.
L. L. There you go.
It's going. This is nice. Thank you for your service, sir.
Oh, thank you. Oh, and weddings. Did you notice? Oh, so weird. That's fine, girl.
Swag.
Don't walk in front of the land everest.
Yep. Check this thing.
Yeah, and I think that
They got the root beer mobile. Yeah, right after the orange Chevy van. Yeah. It's nice. Thank you. So it's like 14. Is this it's just 16? 16? Okay. Wow. I just got my 2010 running. We drove it here and a little too late to get in, but it's black. Okay. Right. Okay. Great. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, that's I got mine from Kalamazoo. It wasn't running. Picked it up for $1,800. It's got it's a rust bucket. It's a rust bucket. It's actually from Canada. I come to find out. But the guy was in the middle of a campsite. He got into timing it, and he gave up. Sick for like a year. Oh, yep, yep. Yeah. Right. Gotcha. I end up finding somebody from Florida to do a email to. He did pretty good. There was another guy out of California that I tried, and 3 revisions later, I end up calling him too many times one day. He's like, "You don't have my undivided attention." Okay, well, I'll find somebody else. Yeah. Come on, guy. Oh, okay, I see. Get back. Get. Holy, look at this thing. Now. Holy, Carlos seats. This thing is decked right out. I didn't see that. Where? Go fast juice. Oh. Where's it? Back here? Thing's sick. Yeah. This thing is sick. It's got a Corvette motor in it, and then it's got nitrous. Wow. What?
Oh.
You know?
Yeah, he's What? Yeah, he told me. When it's all bigger, you get it down $2. What's he say, honey?
I have to go tell him to come closer.
He got.
Can everybody? We're gonna start the awards.
Somebody needs to know what to do.
Everybody can hear me. We're gonna start the awards now. I just want to say again to everyone who's come out. Some people are really kind of salty because we moved it from downtown to, but please. And I'll tell you some of those reasons. One, because look at all the beautiful grass in the 15 acres that we have here. I mean, why not use it? It's very comfortable down here. Our kids without worrying about people driving through cones that we have or barricades. It's very safe down here for us and our kids. And the last thing in the world I want to happen is for somebody to get hurt.
You're no fun. She's no fun.
With that being said, again, thank you for help and volunteered and voluntold. I know there are a couple of you out here that I voluntold to do things. But we're gonna start the awards with
This thing's sick.
what again? We're gonna start the original restored 1948 I don't even. I'm looking.
This is a
She also won from
yeah.
and that is my brother Aaron Cruzan.
Oh,
Fake. Come here, Aaron. I want you.
hey, these are the guys that were coming this way. We stopped off at the gas station.
No, it didn't work because I just put that in. The next one, being 59 to 1963. Okay, and the
Seats in that Challenger were like
come right up
leather,
here to me, honey.
like rawhide leather looking. So oh. This is nice. I need one of these just for a service rig. Yeah. You just lift a car. No need for a jack when you got that thing.
Wow. Wherever you are, I need you here where I am. I see you right there. Look at you, buddy. I got to give Colin a lot of kudos because he has been down here busting his hump. He took 2 days off work and come down here to bust his hump for me because I'm his favorite aunt. I'm his favorite Aunt Dana.
Aunt Dana?
Oh. So, the next
T800.
Street Stop.
Word.
And you also won our mock elections of most likely to get a ticket. See, now if I'd entered my vehicle, I probably would have got that. And I'll also tell you we had a class this year because as most of you who heard me on my Facebook Live last night, we had a fellow member of our family. Well, I had a lot of family members die, I'm not gonna lie.
Oh no.
This guy, he was the first to reckon with. Him and I got a huge fight once, and during my niece's wedding, and then we made up, and he was one of my very best friends, and his name was Jerry Prescott, and he came down for the car show, he came down for the truck pulls, and he worked his butt off for us. And unfortunately, on his way to work one morning, he passed away.
Oh man.
So, in honor of Jerry Prescott, we have done a memorial award for him, and this person that has this car has won all 3 of these awards. They won the most likely to get a ticket, they won the Street Stop, and they won the Jerry Prescott Memorial Award. And the winner is from Canadian Lakes in the 73 Dodge Challenger.
386, nice. Howdy. Hey, how's it going? Not so bad. 800. Another Cummins. Aero cab. Oh, cool. Wow, this thing is nice.
Okay, so now we're going to do the... We're going to do the Pro Stop. I'm sorry, Pro Street. My head's into truffling already, so. And we have Ethan Olsen in his 64 Chevy Nova. Ethan, come on up here and get your award from me in a picture.
Is that a camper? Oh, that is sick. Word. Word up.
Are you Ethan? This is your cup?
Stepson Farms. Where the hell is Stoneman at? I would have swore they would have been here.
I took a little video of it.
Oh, wow. That's pretty cool. Yeah.
Oh, one of my favorite people in the whole wide world. Singing Morgan. Let's hear it for Morgan. She had the 1987 Chevy K10.
In their own little world.
And her shoes match her truck.
Yup. Fucking worth it. Yeah. It's awesome. Oh, shit. Cat, what would that be?
Alright, for the next one, we have our mock election winner for Best Interior. And we also have Custom Truck. He won the award for Custom Truck. And that is Jim,
Nice.
Jim Smith with his 1954
These trucks get
International
hammered.
pickup truck.
Going through all the logging roads. The Western Star. I would have thought Stoneman would have been here. Stoneman? That's who Dan drives for? Stoneman Trucking? I haven't seen any other trucks.
It's still piling in though.
Oh, fucking day. Alright, y'all, we're here. I'm gonna change a battery out real quick. And then we'll party on, Wayne. Party on, Wayne. Woo!
Ah, yeah.
goddamn.
Did you see that dude that stopped in the middle of the road and burned out?
Yeah,
Just
yep.
was like,
That
there is redneck
he did that for me. I was like, light him up, and he's like,
the one's egging him on.
I didn't think he was gonna do it because he just looked at me. He's like, he lit him up. I was like, all right.
There's redneck baptism.
Yeah.
Hilarious.
God, yeah.
Beep beep.
Beep beep. Where are you going? Right here. So, hey, man.
That dude.
Hey, I know that guy.
I was telling him about the baptism.
Just see the black marks he left. Yeah, it was a dual wheel peel, no one tire fires.
Dual wheel peel.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that was
Where'd Jesse go? He must
He's on
be
the
over
other
there.
side.
Somewhere over there. Yeah, he's right over here. Freaky. Oh, girl. Girl.
Good golly, Miss Molly.
That was a cool parade, man. I don't think I've ever seen a diesel parade before.
Oh really? Did you go to the one that we went to in Sandusky, Michigan? It's like an implement tractor parade. They decorate all the plows and stuff.
Oh,
So
that'd be
cool.
sweet. Holy shit, there's no bugs around now. You can see some of the ash on my windshield from all the fireworks.
You're being christened.
Yes.
Oh wow, that was cool. It looked like a snake, like a purple snake.
Wow.
The underglow on it. That was cool.
Right? Wow. Oh, yeah.
Ah, yeah.
Oh shit!
Woo!
Whoa! Woo!
That's how Limp Bizkit needs to open their shows.
Hell yeah, every time.
goes, yeah.
Move in, now move out. Hands up or hands down.
Tell me what you gonna do now.
Breathe out.
Keep rolling, 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 rolling. Yeah. Rolling, rolling, rolling.
Well, Fred Durst probably needs a little help for the audience, but we'll do it. We need feelers to get us started.
That's right. We got this.
I'll dress up in my finest.
It's all
Adidas.
looking like Hunter S. Thompson nowadays with his like big old yellow glasses and it's like,
Elton John and shit.
yeah.
Yeah. I'm down.
Down with the get
Wow.
down.
Okay, my arm is getting numb.
Holy shit, it's coming right over top of us.
Yeah.
Whoa!
Burn it down.
Oh, shit.
Come on, I got full coverage.
Holy!
Hellcat, here I come.
Dang. Ah! Got something in my eye! Whoa! You need to get in here? Want to get in? You can get in if you want. Oh shit. Woo! Woo! You only have a horn.
Oh, shit.
The horn that was in it was like, you go to press it and go, beep. No, it would just,
It's like,
he can do it better than I can.
like, are you fucking kidding me? I got this car and it fucking.
Like the end of a hangover vomit. I'm really trying here. I'm really trying.
Oh,
Oh,
I
shit,
thought
here
we were done.
Round two.
Round 2, baby. Oh,
Woo! I need to drink a beer. Oh!
Wait, you're supposed to drink the contents in the beer? I thought you're supposed to eat the beer can.
Only in Morley.
Oh, that's pretty cool. The kids got some little lazy lights. Shining up on the snow. Bow! Got him, chicken. Wow, wow!
Fireworks so lit you can taste it.
Yes.
Have some salsa, baby. Pour some salt on me. Whoa.
you got? Is that all you got?
Oh, get out there, man. Give him hell.
Wow. Oh, yeah.
Give it all you got, Gabby!
Tomorrow.
The Panther.
Truck pulls or tractor pulls?
Yeah. Yep. That's what the lady was saying.
Oh, gonna try and get up at, be here by 8. Because we've been getting up at like 5 in the morning.
I don't know if I'm coming back here.
Ouch.
But if there's another card thing, event, I'll try and enter this thing.
Right? Well, I think that's what that is at 8 o'clock in the morning. Oh, I want to get a couple of those swords. Is he selling those?
It'd be somewhere else. The truck pulls, I think, aren't till later. Here.
Is he selling those things?
Oh.
Let's see what's going on with this guy and his light out. I'll be right back.
Mom, fire one of those things over here. Get out of here, baby. Yeah, go. Woo. Oh. Ah, boom.
Yep, so I know what that stuff is.
Alright, I'm done recording with my phone. Just gonna enjoy the fireworks. Ah. This is my first car I've ever had a roof thing.
Oh, sunroof, huh?
Yeah.
Nice.
Some of the newer models have one that comes like all the way back here, I think.
Isn't that like a moonroof, they call it?
Yep.
Something like that, yeah. I've wanted a Commander with it.
Right?
Yeah.
Nice.
Whoa! Lightsaber!
Yes.
Oh no, it's on!
Shooter.
It's on! Yeah! Boss!
Here, when you just see these and start sticking them out,
Sweet!
Put it on the car. Line it like a runner. Put it right here.
Yeah.
Are you ready for this?
Should have just got a bunch of necklaces. Stop.
Oh, okay. That wasn't me. Nice.
Dusted all of them.
Yep.
Oh,
Holy.
Looks like I'm smacking that to himself.
I think he backed up.
Right.
You gotta have it so you want out this way, look like a unicorn.
Me and Lindsay's all lit up. I'm trying to get a picture of her, but it ain't happening.
It's a video.
Oh shit.
There
Alright, let's try this again. Oh. I was trying to get a picture of these things.
Here, hold on.
Okay. You're good.
Okay, try it.
Oh, maybe it'll reflect off my hat. It's like now. Woo! Pretty good sized show.
Right?
See if you can't switch it for a necklace. You want a necklace? You want to switch it out for a necklace? They'll be beating shit out of each other later with them.
They probably
Probably not.
That's a lot of cake.
Oh, great. Dang. You can't even see the fire.
Right?